check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, about the open 1981 baseball cards top. You see when I buried treasure or maybe I can find gum to chew on. Oh, the hell, they ruined my baseball cards. They ruined Storm Rust. First one, oh, Jerry Miller. Really. Bobby Brown. Later on became R.B. singer. Al Williams. Did not play in the Natural League, American League. Rookie year. Joe Price. Remember him. Oh, his rookie year. Hard. Let's go a little story about him. Boy named Jeb. Pitcher. One. Opening 2, Pack Speed. Jim Laird. Dave Eddard. Elvis Woods. Some kind of contest thing. A little too late for me to win. So it's a Cooper had a decent career. Not a Hall of Famer, but it should be a Hall of Famer in my opinion. Phillies win their first World Series, 1980. Good for them. Lead in? Nope. Richmond, never heard of this guy. Somebody has seen this card, this guy before. That's one for his pile. And the next one. Next one. Ay. Oh, fucking cards. Like this old-fashioned looking catcher right here. Jim Bear. Cards. Billy Hard. Giant guy. Yeah, I got a Lord's thing. Aye. Damn you. Orlin Finks. I've been a top rookie here for a while. Manley had a great career. All-Star. Padres. Like Gwen, maybe Ozzy Osbourne's there somewhere. A cool little. It's kind of cool. Robert Abba. And this guy became a Hall of Famer. I think he became a Hall of Famer. Ron and the Clevelands. Little stats and that little checklist in the back. Still like and subscribe. Let me know. The Bears had 2 more cards I dropped. Chris Moore. And one more. There you go. And Dizzy Baker, really cool card. He was there when they created the first high five. Look it up. You don't believe me. So like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'll do better next time, maybe. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.